Hello, my people. How na day? I greet you according to your time. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain Lady Sylvia. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button and also click the notification icon so that whenever I upload any video, you will always be the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, I say may God continue to bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. My people, how na day? I greet una again. Okay, guys, today I want to show you guys a video. Somebody sent this video to me yesterday. I was like, oh my God, what is happening? Okay, and maybe some of you must have seen the video or some of you have not seen it, but I just decided to bring it out because according to the video and to what I observed in that video, I will tell you guys maybe it's as a result of hard drugs. So all these young guys, they should stop taking all these hard drugs of a thing because it's not helping matter. It will only lead you to destruction. Okay, this is not madness. So my own point of view, I believe is hard drugs, guys. So for some of you who have not seen the video, just look at the video, then I will come.
Give her water now. Muna hold on well now.
Okay, guys, you have seen that video, all right? I don't know what you think about that video, but from my own point of view, I believe this as a result of hard drugs. So, guys, these young guys of this new generation, they should stop all this. They should stop taking hard drugs, okay? Like during the time of our fathers, they were not taking all these things, and they were all in order. They were living happily with their girls or with their women, and things were going on smoothly. I don't know what these young guys of nowadays or this new generation, I don't know why they are taking those hard drugs. I don't know what they want to do or what they want to see. Okay, guys, you have seen the video. I don't know what you think about the video, so feel free to leave your opinion in the comment section. All right, guys, let's go over to another video that actually drew my attention this morning. I was like, seriously, can this be real? You know, it's a video about a lawyer and a prison warder concerning criminals, guys. Okay, as for my own opinion, I'm not in support of someone being a criminal. Okay, don't quote me wrong. Okay, but the issue here is what actually drew my attention was that at the middle of the conversation, I heard one of the ladies saying the reason why they cannot open that Black Maria car or that Black Maria van is because that they don't have enough handcuffs. I mean, like seriously, prison don't have enough handcuffs to handcuff criminals. Then why will you arrest them in the first place? Okay, these are guys that they were caught on criminal act and they put them in Black Maria van. You guys know what I'm talking about. And at the end of the day, the lawyer is trying to fight for them, telling at least the prison warder to at least open the Black Maria van for them because of the heat. Okay, guys. But the other man, the prison warder, refused to open it. Why? Because they don't have enough handcuffs to handcuff the criminals. I mean, in prison, you don't have enough handcuffs to handcuff prisoners. Then why do you arrest them in the first place? Okay, guys, so let it not just look as maybe I'm just talking. Let me play the video for you guys. Then you watch, I will come back again.
This thing is actually hot. Is that no?
They should calm down. They should calm down now.
Even if now you go calm down, how about let's be. Even if now you inside this whole place, plenty people under this heat, they can actually die there. Even if like people at least now, they will get small humanity. It's not. Culture is not my field. Is it when they die that is not my field, or is it young being criminal? Which one is not my field? It's not my business. I'm a healthcare practitioner.
Yes,
and it's not mine. And I'm a human.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say concentrate in your field.
Nah, there's nothing like that. When I'm
concentrate in your field, don't intrude into something that is
I'm
not
not intruding. It is right in front of me.
See, don't be saying this. What are you talking about? Don't be saying this. So is this right for goats?
That's what I'm saying now.
Is it right for goats?
I'm
not for goats.
I was even talking to him. There's nothing wrong with what I
Okay,
did.
come on the roof. Come on the roof of the place. Come on the roof of the vehicle. So that the sun will not get
Sir,
stuck any longer.
the only thing I'm asking is this. Is it possible that because of this heat, that maybe they can park somewhere near a shade or something at least? Even if they're criminals, at least they're still human beings.
Okay, can you sign in? Can we bring any document for you to sign? So
Sir, you
open this
don't need
place.
to. Since it is
No,
your
let
job,
me
I'm
find
sure
out
you know
from
what
you.
to do.
Are you ready to sign any document for us? Let's open this place.
I will not sign a
Then you
document
will not
for
sign
them,
now.
but I am simply making a
See,
plea.
my sister, you better secure your job. You better secure your
Sir,
job.
my job is secure.
Yes, you better secure your job. But what you are doing now, see, what you are doing now, you just want to put your job in jeopardy.
My
I
job
am just
cannot
telling
be
you
in
now.
jeopardy. My job
I am just
cannot
telling
be
you
in
now.
jeopardy. My name is
I am just
Chama
telling
My
you
job
now.
cannot be in jeopardy.
I'm just telling you now.
Sir, you're
See,
telling me,
you will
sir.
see something that you do respect that. Are you hearing me?
Sir, you're threatening me, sir.
I am not threatening you. I am not
What
telling
have
what
you
I'm telling you.
got to
I will invite the police now for you to come and explain why you shouldn't do this.
Sir, please invite them.
Are you hearing me?
Sir, please go. If you want to invite them, invite them.
Are
I
you
did
hearing
nothing
me?
wrong. I was not even talking to you in the first place. I did nothing wrong.
Which one is you're not talking
I
to me?
did nothing
When you
wrong.
are referring
I
to the
simply
people,
made a plea for
when you
human
are
beings.
referring to that is when you're talking to me.
I am talking to them. I'm not raising my voice. You're not speaking to me. I'm raising your voice.
You came here for another thing. You forgot to put
when I see something happen, I
talking
should.
something that has to do
If
with
you were to
safety.
fall on the road, if you have a medical issue and you fall on the road, you will be my business, sir. Even as you're talking to me right now, if you had a medical issue and you need I will attend to you and you
So
be my
are you
business.
doing what the Lord said you should not do? You are doing your work.
I'm simply talking about.
You don't have enough handcuff to handcuff.
I'm not using the business.
So
I was just
if
simply
you bring them
discussing if
down,
there's
they
any
will
way.
run.
That's what I said.
You
Okay, let me
remember
buy
the
water.
that one brought you
There
to
is
this place.
nothing you can do as it stands now. Yeah, even they have enough handcuff, they will handcuff all of them and bring them down. But in this situation, now no handcuff. If you bring them down, now it's at his own risk. If
I
anyone
understand.
run
I've
away,
never
like-
even said they should come down. He didn't even hear what I was saying. He just came and started raising voice like I don't know what I'm saying. I'm a junior air woman. I've worked with the Air Force. I'm a healthcare practitioner. So it's about security and it's about health. At least I know the two of them properly. I'm speaking with him. I'm not raising my voice. It's not a quarrel. We can both discuss like intelligent people. There's nothing there. And the next thing you go about my job is, so my job? Do you really know my job?
Okay, let's call it straight.
It's well low.
Have you done what you have you done?
The person never come.
No.
Okay, guys, you've seen that video, okay? It's funny. It's funny though. It's funny. It's really, really funny to say that prison warders or Nigeria police station or whatever, I don't know what they call them, that they don't have enough handcuffs to handcuff criminals. All right, anyway, let's move over to another, oh my God, another Ogboge news that will shock you. You know, it has really gotten to this extent that even children are going for armed robbery. Where are we going to? Nigeria don't finish now. You know, that is the reason why one of our brothers will always say this life not balanced at all. And indeed, Nigeria is not balanced. Nigeria is gone, is gone. How can little children of that age be going for armed robbery? I saw it, I was like, I couldn't hold my tears. Okay? So I said, no, I will not see this video alone. I have to bring it out to my fans out there to know what is going on. Oh, guys, watch the video. I will come back again.
Who they carry on a go thief? Go back now. You talk. Where you carry on a go thief? Tell me.
For Egmont Estate.
Where for Egmont Estate?
Aboki.
How not?
If you don't carry, you go call the life hour. You go tell me all of us share.
One I can't reach house. Una mama waiting can they do waiting in the house una.
I'm on the house for so long with this thing. This boy the thought say he go work because he be money.
Una tell una mama say they carry una go the thief.
Yes.
Wetin una mama can't do.
I want to talk to me no carry us go again.
One I can't still go again yesterday.
We not go yesterday. They will not go.
How you take? You be the same mama with her. That this woman born you. How you take enter their house? For their house. Talk loud.
Talk loud.
Talk loud. Talk loud. Tell me. Where you gonna make you come to train the two children for thief?
Not then. Before I got the house, sometimes they will just carry my clothes. Yeah, I know it.
Not be cloth with they ask you. Why how na take start to come the thief?
So guys, they took my wallet. They took my wallet while they put money.
You na the woman born you.
No.
How you come to the stay the house? Who bring you come? Now this boy. Who be this boy to you? Okay, now you and the thief.
That is why they carry money for Egmont Estate.
Only with that, no push. I mean, like, no be now go open now. They say, now collect the money.
Face me.
Only 100 naira they give me.
How many places una don thief? Talk to me. Come on, turn your head.
Only that book is there.
This one they carry collect your money they run.
And they carry correct some money.
You know say the first day my platform. How una take dey operate?
How take the operate? Now that my money border.
You first.
They carry and come.
How you take carry the boy come your house?
My money border na carry the boy. This one. I take carry this one. Okay, I take carry and come. I got say I got the boy. He tell me say no girl.
Raise your head.
He tell me say no girl. Say Papa fuck his sister, his sister belle. Say Mama got them. Say the cotton boy say they want to learn. I got the
How you take run come?
now I got to carry and come. My mom come pursue one. They pursue one. I know your word. You cause it go. They pursue one. Go cause it come again.
Okay. You remember for this month, say you confess, say una dey go robbery, una keep person for Sloko Road and all that.
But I remember.
You remember? Think back.
Yes.
Okay. How many robbery una don go? 4 robbery. How many of una name una wey dey do the robbery? Wetin be the name?
I don't know the name.
Where you dey stay?
I'm not bothered bring up. I was afraid to see boy come from
Una house na first dey stay. And na your mommy still abog the boy.
no, na my mom brother.
Na your mommy brother.
Na be the boy come.
Na you bring am. Where that to your mommy brother?
Na my correct that. Yeah, not to correct like that.
Because of bad thing where they do, Abi? Okay. Where the rest people they?
Yes, people. Nokia. Nokia.
Nokia. Now you join una. The motor we say una they use operating call.
Who get the motor don't collect am?
Don't record anything, don't send it to her. If I see it, I will pick you up. Yeah?
Who get the motor don't collect am for you?
Where you get the motor dey?
I don't know where they go.
Where they carry you from?
Where they carry me? I will bust up now. Tell you say.
Which one bus stop? Ebotubo abi Asoro? Na there they carry you. Okay, the boy they stay Asoro there, too, the driver.
No, they say Asoro. Na Asoro tell you work.
Okay. I bet Muna go back. Get with him once. I beg. Muna go. Off him. Off your camera, please. Go. Go back, please. Go. Go. Where you see the ammunition there?
Sir?
The ammunition, where you say we will see him?
The boy,
The gun. The gun.
For where they put on, not for where they put on.
For where the gun dey?
For Mobi.
Where for Mobi the gun dey?
Finish Mobi, you drive come inside. Because other bush we do this side. And then they put on.
The gun.
Yes.
You know?
Yes, I know they put on.
Okay. Which of the house you know for your leader? Who na they follow do the operation?
I don't know the house.
How na they take see?
I'll tell you, see, you can see that my dad follow and walk. You call see the second one for this go. But that second one, so I'm going to do. But that one, we see the friend, I will never see her. That one, I know for where I take the bad draws or look for where I take the bad draws, I'm going to see. I know for where I take the bad. So things you don't see do a call for where I take the drink. I know.
You know?
Yes.
Where they go to drink where they don't do operation finish?
I'll look inside. I'll fetch job for that place.
You know the place?
Yes, we don't close finish. You have to the bad very slow. You have to the drink of your corner. You don't have to your bad this time. I don't know if you go drink.
Remember?
Okay, guys, you've seen the video, all right? This thing is really heartbroken. I mean, little children of this age, my people, where they want to reach? I mean, could this be as a result of hunger? Or better still, could it be as a result of lack of home training? My guy, I will tell you the truth, this is actually a shame. I will not want to say it's a shame to the parents, but it's a shame to the country. Because I believe if things were in order, it wouldn't have gone to this extent, guys. All right, my people, this will be stopping for today, okay? Please, guys, make this video go viral. Like, share, and feel free to leave your opinion in the comment section. Okay, guys, stay blessed till I come your way again next time. And remember, if you have not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so that whenever I upload any video, you will always be the first to be notified. Okay, guys. All right, stay blessed. See you next time. Bye-bye.